Hey everyone, let's make this task list app dark mode ready with a toggle button, all in 90 seconds. Ready? Let's go. First, the toggle. In main.dart, add value notifier, type static final value notifier theme mode dot light. Wrap material app in value listenable builder, set theme mode to mode. In the app bar, add an icon button with a moon/sun icon that flips theme notifier value. Toggle ready. Next, backgrounds. Add final theme equals theme dot of context in build and underscore build task tile. Change app bar to theme dot color scheme dot primary, scaffold to theme dot scaffold background color, tiles to theme dot color scheme dot surface, FAB to theme dot color scheme dot secondary. Backgrounds adapt now. Last, text and buttons. Swap app. Bar text to theme dot color scheme dot on primary, title and tasks to theme dot color scheme dot on surface. Checkbox to theme dot color scheme dot secondary, FAB icon to theme dot color scheme dot on secondary. Toggle it. Text and buttons pop. Done. Toggle added, backgrounds fixed, text updated, all in 90 seconds. Use theme dot color scheme and a notifier for your apps. Like, subscribe, and comment for more Flutter tricks. See ya!